I got my Govee app. I got my Govee lights. Okay, so head into my app and click on DIY. Boom. Click the DIY button. There's a live tutorial right here on how to set up DIY for your Govee lights, okay? And let me go ahead and feature real quick the Govee light over there that's going bananas. That's the one I'm using right now, the Aura table lamp. Okay. So head into your device, click on DIY. Then click the plus icon. Plus. You haven't tried DIY yet. Add a new one now. Yes. Plus. Perfect. So now we're going to create a DIY lighting option here. I get to earn points. Neat. So my DIY name is going to be, how about we call it Cyberpunk? I'm going to do something Cyberpunk, okay? Cyberpunk 2077. Confirm. Okay. We can choose our DIY icon. I'm ahead of you, buddy. I'm just going to use a random logo here. It's pretty cool. So you can create all your own DIY stuff, and there's like a whole community of people that are using the app to create lighting solutions. That's really, really interesting. Okay, great. So now that I've done that, I can select my group, which I do not. I have my default group. And so now I can do a custom finger sketch option. That's really interesting. So I have a canvas here of what I can draw for my lights. Finger sketch is the best, huh? Okay, Aaron, thank you very much for that. So right now, if you guys are wondering what we're doing, I'm customizing for this lamp right over here, the lights. You ready? So here on the canvas, I'm going to click the pen button. And I'm going to draw a squiggly and just see what happens. And hit apply. Okay. Oopsie. We're going to do pink squiggly. Apply. And let's see it. What? No way. It applied that to the light. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Oh, let's do it again. All right. Yeah, I'm going to clear out the... Okay, let's do it again. We're going to do white. And we're going to do zigzags. Hit apply. Let's take a look. What? Zigzag white lights? Oh my gosh, that's so amazing. I love it, I love it, I love it. Let's do it again, let's do it again. All right, let's clear this out. And for our background, we're going to use white as our background. And then for our pen color, let's do purple. So what if I did like one line here, one line here, one line here, and then hit apply. It's applying. Failed to apply. Applied successfully. Let's take a look. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. It looks way better in real life, by the way, than it does through my Logitech Brio camera. That's so freaking amazing. Wow, that's so cool that you can do this finger sketching with these lights. There's so many options. Maybe your logo, that would be neat. Dude, I love this. This is so cool that you can do all of this customized stuff here, DIY, and then it looks like you can share if you become a savvy user. All right, I'm not going to go through the sign up process. I'm becoming a savvy user live here on the stream, but you can create these DIY designs through the Govee app and then share it for other people to use. This is so incredible. Thank you very much, Aaron. I really appreciate it. I didn't save my DIY design. I'll go ahead and make some later, but I think that's really, really interesting. And not only can you do the DIY designs with this Aura table lamp, of course you can do these others. For example, if you feel like dancing, oh, boom, your light's gonna dance with you. Oh my gosh, look at the light. It's going crazy. That's actually one of the coolest presets right there. Look at that. If you guys want to pick up this light, this is probably the coolest table lamp I've ever seen. And it just became exponentially more interesting and cool. It takes seconds to become a savvy user, so just say yes. Okay, I'll do it. I just wanted to make sure I didn't have to like pull up a bunch of legals or something on that. But if it's that easy, then let's just do it right now, buddy. So we're gonna go through the process again of adding a DIY light. You ready? You click the plus button for DIY. You hit the plus button up here, you name it, and we're just gonna do Awall's first DIY. Confirm. For my icon, we're gonna grab a photo from my album. Done. We're going to draw on our canvas. Oopsie. Something pink. I'm just gonna do A for Awall. Just as an example design, right? We're gonna hit apply, save, and then we're gonna share this in becoming a savvy user. Sign me up. I'm now a savvy user. Congratulations, me. Amazing. Oh, I can add a video here. Okay, so I'm gonna record a video really quick of the light. Here we go. All right, so you record a video to share through the app. And then I select a cover photo. All right. What? There's like a whole, like... There's a whole community here. And it's like, it just... Awall's first live design. This is amazing that you can create all of these incredible designs for your Govee lights and then post those through their essentially social media platform, and other people can download your designs and other people's designs and apply them to their lights. This is just so incredible. Look at all these amazing designs that are out there in the Govee creation section here. This is absolutely fantastic. Aaron, thank you so much for walking me through this process. I appreciate it. It's going to allow for unlimited creativity here. Let me just apply this effect right here to my own lights. I just found this random one from this random user here to apply to my lights, and boom, it looks like it just applied those to my RGB lighting right here in my studio. Just like that. So you can take anybody's lighting creations anywhere in the world. They've posted it through this system, and then apply it to your own lights in your own studio. Or in your own home, on your own shelves, or whatever. Aaron, that's freaking great, man. Thank you so much for sharing that with me. That's really cool. I gotta say, that is one of the most interesting things about these Govee lights that I've seen so far throughout my testing, is just the unlimited millions of possibilities customization that comes along with it. That's absolutely super cool. Super, super cool.